Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use the custom fonts on iPhone in iOS 17. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, launch App Store and search for buzzer font and select that one fonts with the percentage symbol. I already have, so tap to open. You can use these fonts on Instagram, WhatsApp, messages, Snapchat, all these applications. Now force close the app and the App Store. Now we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap on keyboard. Now tap again keyboard. Now tap on buzzer font and enable full access. Now I'm going to show you. Open the messages. If you want to type message and want to change font, and you select font from here, any style, any language, and you can use it. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.